walk the path where shadows grow, the weight of time that moves so slow. A shattered dream I called my own, love I lost but never known. Your voice it burned like fire inside. I chased the flame, no place to hide. Each step I took was marked with pain. The emptiness, it still made me